Hello everyone, my name is Andrana Lindy Bazooka Prophet. Now in this particular video, I'm going to be making a lot of students who are having challenges in attending to online classes. Now we should understand that we live in a generation whereby online classes is taking over the world. And a whole lot of students have complained that they do not know how to join online classes via Zoom, right? So in this video here, I'm going to be telling you simple steps on how to go about, very simple steps on how to go about it. Very simple, very simple, right? In the next 2 minutes, you should be able to go through it. Now, quickly, let's go. The first step for you to do is to, first of all, go to your App Store or your Google Play, right? For me, I'll make use of my App Store because I'm making use of an iPhone. So I'll go to my App Store here. Right now, when you get to App Store, what will you do? Just type Zoom. When you type Zoom, you will see Zoom meeting workplace. Just go to workplace, right? When you go to workplace, you will see where they wrote Zoom workplace. I have already downloaded mine on my phone here, so that is why you could see it. It is telling me open, right? Don't download this. No, go for the first one, the one that says Zoom workplace. Very simple. Now what will I do next? You will just open. That is just all. You will just open. Now why you just open it, right? What you simply just do is just hold on, right? Now for me, I will have to go to my own Zoom here. Right, this is what it will show me, the Zoom interface, right? I will just simply create a meeting. Now in creating this meeting, right, I'll come here. This one can be helpful to students. This is not for you, this is for me as the tutor taking you classes on it. I will just simply go here, right? I'll copy the link and I will send the link to you, right? I'll send the link to you. Now what you will simply just do, it's very simple, right? If the link is sent to you via WhatsApp, you will just go to your WhatsApp, right? You will just go to your WhatsApp and just click it. Look at it. You just click it. Now when you click it, straight away, that is all. Just is to just join. You see it now? Just is to just what? Join. When I join, right, it's connecting now. Okay, good. It's connecting now. So what me on my own end as your tutor will do is to simply admit you in. Now when I admit you in, it's connecting. See, now you can hear me. Now what you can simply just do, you can simply mute just to listen to me, or if you want to say something, you can mute. You see it now, it's showing here on my own end, and that is how it works. And again too, you will also learn how to enter to allow the speaker or audio so you could hear me. That is simply how it is done. So I'll have to, when you want to leave, you press here, leave meeting. So you're already done. That is all. Just is to just download it. When you download it, when they send you the link, just click the link. When you click the link, what next will you just do? It will take you straight away to the Zoom you have already downloaded. When that is done, it will tell you enter or click audio. You have to click audio so you could hear what the tutor or what the teacher is simply saying. That is how it is simply what done. Now, for tutors all around the world, right? Watch out for my next post on how to use Zoom to teach students effectively. Meanwhile, we teach students for WAEC, JAM, 100 level, IGCSE exam, AP, IB exam, Cambridge A level exam, and we are best at what we do. Thank you, and God bless you.